Hey YouTube, I just got this box in the mail. I covered up my address for a reason. I just got this box in the mail and I was thinking of just opening it up with you guys. So, alright, hold on. Alright, as you can see, I already cut the top open, but I haven't opened the box inside. Like, I ordered it online and it only took 2 days to come. So, this packaging's hard. Looks very lightweight. Set of Ipod removal tools. I already have a pair of those since I tried to fix my digitizer on my iPod. Yep, those here. I ordered this about 2 days ago. It's my iPod plastic frame for the iPod glass, since my other one accidentally broke and I tried super gluing it back together. Yeah, looks nice and new. You can tell it's a second generation because it has that little hole for, I think, memory or something like that. I'm not sure what that piece is for the iPod, but yep, this is supposed to fit my iPod, so when I get the glass, I'll make another video of me putting my iPod together and seeing if it works. So, yeah. Well, that's it for now, so I'll keep you guys updated.